Alright, so today we're going to turn these simple little ingredients. We've got your yellow mustard, sour cream, mayonnaise, sriracha mayo, head of cauliflower, some peppers, red onion, garlic, lemon pepper, and Dano's spicy. You can be generous with this because it's low sodium. And some chicken that we cooked the other night. I'll show you that here in just a minute. In any case, these ingredients will soon be into this. Then tonight we'll smoke a couple of ribeyes, have this with it. Meal fit for a king. Let's show you how I made it. So you want your cauliflower in little flowerets, not real big pieces and not too many stems. So I just start busting it apart here and then I'll doctor them up. So you're left with that. So while I'm doing this, I can tell you about this chicken over here. What you want is a couple of plump chicken breasts, and then you get your sharp knife and you just kind of fillet them into thin little cutlets. And then you put a dash of butter in a pan, a little bit of olive oil, and some garlic. Just dice up some garlic, you don't have to mince it, just dice it up. Pan good and hot, get all those flavors mushing together. And then just lay your cutlets in there. And if you cut them thin, they really don't take too long to cook. You don't want to overcook them. And you're going to chop them up anyway, so don't be afraid to cut them and test it. Make sure it's not underdone, but you don't want to overcook it for sure. And it comes out fabulous. Oh, you also want to squeeze a little bit of lemon in there. So, you end up with a bowl of cauliflower like that. Alright, here's that chicken I told you about. We cooked that up last night. Once again using the Dull Strong Shogun Series 7-inch cleaver. I'm just going to throw all that in with the cauliflower. This has a little bit of the garlic left on it. Juicy is all get out. Look how juicy that is. And that's been sitting in the fridge for a day.
And it smells really good.
Our next investment is going to be a smell-a-cam. This cleaver, we've cut up chickens with it, turkeys, more chickens, and it's still sharp. And I've done it before, but I'll do it again. I'll put the link to the Dull Strong website in the description below. And if you'll like what you're seeing there, go ahead and order you one. Woo. And watch your fingers.
Yeah.
If you do. What do you think? Is that enough chicken, you think?
Yeah, probably.
Let's do one more. Can you see it? So I may have lied to you a little bit on these ingredients. I'm going to add a couple other things. A little Himalayan salt, some pepper, and one splash of apple cider vinegar. Let's start with a big splash of mayo. This is the unhealthy part. Everything else in there is healthy. And you don't need a lot of dressing either. Mustard, excuse me, some sriracha mayo for a little spicy.
Oh, ginger. Forgot we put ginger in it last time too.
That was what?
Ginger.
Oh, that's right, we put a little ginger in there too, didn't we?
Apple cider vinegar.
Big old blob of sour cream. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper.
Not there yet.
Probably some more sour cream, I think. And maybe a little more mayo.
That's pretty good.
Put a little cauliflower on it, see what you think. I don't want it all in there right off the bat because we don't want it too soupy. I made this a couple weeks ago. About this size of a batch, maybe a little bit smaller. And it was gone in 3 days. Kind of looks like potato salad, but this is more like a colon shock recipe. All right, there you have it. Okay, we got a couple of little ribeyes from Allen Brothers, sent to us by my brother and sister-in-law. Some of that Allen steak. Lincoln one.
It's getting old. I can't believe it.
One day after your birthday, kid.
I know.
You'll be 22. Luke's gonna be 24.
Oh, that makes me feel even older.
Georgie's gonna be 3.
I have ancient children on top of me.
3.
That many, like, yes, yes. That's
10. You're gonna be 10.
One more year till the insurance drops.
Oh, that's
Hey guys, this is kind of a weird way to close a video, but we're actually on our way to the next one, so stay tuned with that. But we had a really fun family evening, afternoon, evening. It was, all the kids were there, grandson was there, ate that steak, showed you how we made that cauliflower salad. Luke, my son, was getting ready to take off to Denver, spend the summer at his job. Beth got a wonderful call from her eldest son, Casey, who is got accepted into USC Berkeley.
No.
Irvine, excuse me. So all in all, it was a great day, great evening. Enjoyed seeing everybody and hearing from everybody, and so now we're off to the next one. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. Give us a thumbs up. See ya.